Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys would have checked out the previous vlog, you guys would have know where we're at now. You guys would have, you know, have the answer for it. So we made it to the beach. We just arrived. It was raining a little bit. Well, that drew. So it's not anymore. It's not doing that anymore. So picture session. I did my photos already because I did my makeup and all of that. Who do makeup for my beach? Who? Tell me who. If you know who, tell me who. I did it though because I wanted to put effort in today, like taking 2 pictures for the summer and so forth. So yeah. And when you have the good iPhone them around, you have to make use of it. The iPhone 13 them, knock me down with the XR. So beach vibe. A lot of people there beach. Baby's coming. If you go check out something at Flow, because that's another issue. I'm saying like too long, but him come now. So beach closed at 5 too. And about what time now? 3 what? 3:23. 3:23. So we have literally an hour and how much is that? And 37 minutes to go. Yeah, so I'm showing you, make somebody showing me OOTD. Show me chin. What is up?
I take a picture of them, never want this story, but it take a long time now, so I say I come.
Oh no, we don't want a boat drift today.
Boat drift today?
No. Leave. We need to reboot the belly. We need to go to the water. Yes, we need to bust a TikTok too. So we're going to try to bust a TikTok for the TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at it's Dominique. What's your name on TikTok? Princess Shay? Princess underscore something like that? Yes, Princess. What's that? She not even know. What's your name on TikTok? BABYFAX.Davia 15. Yeah. And I am it's underscore Dominique. That is DOMINQUE. Yeah, so I'm going to the water now. As we said, but we'll post on TikTok first. Yeah, please follow me on Instagram to make sure you guys get those photos that I take because I think they're bomb. Boy, guys, I'm going to the water. I'm hungry, but like it? This flavor is salt and vinegar. Which one? Sour cream? A lot of people don't like the flavor. Me can't eat it too long. You have to like eat like a little bit. And then like, me give it a little break and then come back with yeah. And then okay, it's wrong. Biscuit and peanut butter in there. We'll get pizza after. I can't well. Right there. Oh, right there. Bag. Okay. Okay. My God. She got there water. She not said listen. Not time to waste. Water me come back again now. Give her the peanut butter and biscuit right on the one. You got to share with the scoop of it. Want peanut butter and biscuit? Very hungry. Backside the biscuit and after that hurt. Huh? When hungry eat that something different, yeah? Hungry? Hungry come around? This is a story. You have to eat. Can't say no to the belly, period. Booty gone. You like it, babe? I just can't eat too much food. You can't. It's like a hungry belly snack, not true? Yeah.
Oh, so city. Oh, so city, que rico, papi.
I've been eating sauce very much thing there. Right, we're at it, guys. What I care, what about something? Where you trying in there? Let them here. This can't work my hungry belly at all. Wow. Just in case I take my crib and I'm alone, everybody hungry. Everybody in the pan. Huh? No. Breakfast is light this morning, so I'm hungry. I'm hungry again. I want you to know when you're hungry, they must something nice, but when you're hungry, they something nice. For sure. Now, babe, out in the water, just standing up and a flash like what are you doing? What you do? What you do? Yes, stand up and look out. Yeah, look out. Yeah, look out. We're not going in the water. Chini, what? We're not going in the water. We're not get Wi-Fi and not look. You watch it. Everywhere them go, I tell you no. We're gonna come so. We're gonna put away the phone and go in the water. A water time. Water we come here for. Oi! Water we come here for. Put it down because you don't have water like this in America. Put it down. Let's go. Yeah. And give me a bounce while I go into the water. Give me a bounce. Go on with the bounce. Go on. Where the bounce there? Chin. Stir fry. I do. Chin, come now. Asa? Bounce. Chin, come. Where the bounce? Stir. I do. I do. I do. Give me an idea. Give me an idea. Eh? Oh, sir?
Yes, sir.
Come, goody. Run it. Run it. Run it now. Run it. 1 foot. Oh, like what? Like what, Davey, I do? You're 2 foot them? Catch me, say me I do it good. It's a banner back. It's happening here, box if you're going in the water. Where the box there? Box straight to the water. What?
No, bounce.
Well, your box to go into the water. Yeah, goody. Yeah, goody. Yeah. I guys go in the water. Guys, not us. At the beach under an umbrella. Rain or fall. Or they ask, oh, for your beach under umbrella and the water with it in. But for me, I have a perfect excuse. I don't want my wig to wet. Them are braids. Them can't get wet. But be if a man come out of water. So what's their excuse? I don't know. Them don't want them ballad to wet. Them don't want it to get wet. So that's about it. So it's literally. Let me show you. See, David, I call it chill. The guard. The guard with a nice sexy body. Yeah. It hold up completely. It hold up completely. The rain hold up completely. It's a Joe. Not Joe. Okay. Alright, me go join them back then. I'll leave the umbrella covering the stuff though. I'm hungry though. I'm hungry. I think we could have buy the pizza before we come at the beach. Girl, call me. But she's sexy. Beach without food is a killer. Especially if you're hungry, brethren. Brethren, if you're hungry, you better have food. Listen, you can't come without food if you're not in your yard. Alright, so let me take you into the water. Take it to the water. Because I don't want to listen me come. I don't care. I'm in the water. So, what I'm going to do. Take you into the water. Nice, beautiful water, sea water, Caribbean water. Yeah. So, whoa, right here feels so warm. So warm. They have beach activities going on out there. What is sport here called? I'm not sure. Where you like your hold on? Wait, they see it coming. Like you hold on. You know how long the girl left on it? She a go on, you know? She a go on. Hey, she a grip it. Lord God. So, guys, this is the beach. Moon Palace over here. So everybody up there, so they might get ready. Yeah. So guys, day at the beach. Really was a chilled afternoon, because you guys would have heard me saying that we got here like after 3. Yeah, so we did about 40 minutes in the water, because if you don't have much doing, then it gets really you get really bored, and the whole time becomes boring. But me and baby, that's the reason, because you know, as adults, that's what you do. You reason a lot. So you come to the beach, you don't do nothing than reason, talk and chat, and yeah. What time? Huh? So I can't wait till 5 o'clock. Imbi? Come now, 5 o'clock. You must send that come back in the water. 5 o'clock would be a good time. Hey, 5 o'clock is a good time, because night no come down till out here in Jamaica now. Currently night no come down till about 8 o'clock. Yeah, about 8 o'clock it's full blunt night time. Yeah, so I'm enjoying it for me and you guys. For those who want to be out here and you're not here, I'm enjoying it for me and you. Oh God, such a great day. Guys, I want to also let you know how thankful I am for having the new subscribers here. You know what them say, consistency get your channel to where you want it to be. But let me just be honest with you, right? So if you're a small YouTuber out there and you're listening to this, is something you want to hear. It's not always consistency. It's always like sometimes, well, it's not always, but it's not always consistency. But it's like it all depends on the way in which your channel decide that it's going to grow, or based on how your tags allows it to grow. So I am a consistent YouTuber. I don't know, anytime I take one break, it's like short. The longest I've ever took a break was after I did Vlogmas. I did the post like vlogs until like once a month, and that was all because you guys know I'm a teacher, and it's all because of the amount of work that I had to do in compared to vlog. Watch, babe. Where you going? You're not changing the clothes? You're not going to change the clothes? Oh. See, based on all the work that I had to do, it was hard for me to like maintain those two type of things going on. Vlogging, watch him, vlogging and YouTube. Editing the video, it's not even making the content, like editing the video, that's what takes a lot of time. But yeah, so I was saying that, you know, sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone. I know I got a lot like 400 and counting subscribers from the Carter family meet and greet. I want to big up everybody who joined my channel. Whoa, they're having fun out there. Be sure that somebody drop off. Not even see. Can't see those who joined from the Carter family meet and greet. I want to big up everybody who appreciates the Carter family for who they are, and those who are joining because of the vlog. I hope you stay. I hope you watch my vlogs, and I hope I give you the content that you guys are looking for. So so in that sense, I was getting to the point where I said to you, so in that case, I got a lot of subscribers, like in 2 days, 400 subscribers. The first time I get my subscriber in 2 days, and it's all because of that vlog. So sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes you have to go meet other big YouTubers. Sometimes that is how you're going to make it. Sometimes you gotta be consistent, and no matter how you post, your videos them not get what you want them to get. So this was the first segment of the vlog to thank all of the new subscribers them and all of the ones that are always there. Big up on yourself. I love and appreciate you. I don't know if me is Miss Outie or Miss Goaty. I'm going to try my best to do that for this summer, because the setting kind of different this summer, honestly, because I know I'm always a goat. So I'm kind of trying to be more reserved this summer, so I won't really disappoint nobody. So yeah, so we're going to continue with the vlog. We'll change my clothes and all of that. Yeah. You ready? You're not ready, but true tell me to the water, you just say you're ready. You're not come back. Not true?
Of course, I'm
You
ready. Something to say why I try to make you look at me ready. Me ready?
You tell me say you're never ready. I'm ask you if you're ready. You say you're not ready. You say when me ready.
Then I want me have to do me now. Wait till you're not ready.
But me did say me ready? Eh?
Yeah, wait till you're not ready anyway.
What ear want to recomb? Oh, you like your ear being combed?
Want to pull out.
Yeah, you want to pull out and redo. But tell you to pay me now. You say you can't go hairdresser. So I say go and go to a hairdresser. Go and go pay your money.
How me this so?
Huh?
How me this so?
Come and say for pay me. So him say go and pay my hairdresser and I charge them all for money. So then me say alright, pay me then and I revenge that. So they said, pay me. He must have me for one. So pay me the money. Alright guys, so we'll change the clothes. Alright guys, so we left the beach and we're now in Domino's getting practically dinner. Not lunch, dinner. Because it is now, I'm not by my watch. What, after 5? Oh, after 5. It's about after 5 now. So yeah, that's update. So the trick is to in Domino's you order your stuff online where you get 50% off, and if you come in the store, that's on Monday, if you come in the store you will get 50% off, so you can buy 2 pizzas for 1 money. If you come in the store you don't get that, but if you do it online, ready? If you do it online you get that deal. Oh, smart. So at first, if you come with 3,000 under, so me when something is select when I select.
Then you go on 6 and then you go back at 2.
And you go at 2,800. So normally you get the medium pizza for $2,850. Per Monday you get 2 medium pizza for $850 and $2,850, and it's only $2,850 because we took pineapple and barbecue chicken, so that's extra topping. It's cheaper, you know, right? If it wasn't pineapple and barbecue chicken. So you pay for your topping. So we're gonna wait upon that. Wanna sleep? Wanna dead for hungry yet? Dead for hungry? And I process. Well, don't die as it. Alright guys, so this is it. Now it's a barbecue base and get it based don't look barbecue at all. Domino's. So we got 2 pies, one on this stuff. And that's about it for today. Everybody is feasting, so we're heading home. But before I go, I have to let you guys know Domino's is definitely it. No more Pizza Hut for me, and this is because when you go to Pizza Hut, forget condiments, they give you 1 big pizza, 1 medium pizza. You only get 1 pepper. 1. at Domino's, then put it on face up as much as I want, and that is how I believe it should go. If things are go up, make me feel comfortable spending my money even me spending more. You understand? Yeah. So I'm going to enjoy this pie, go home with the fam, and we're all gonna chill for the rest of the day. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, leave a comment, and I'll catch you all up in the next vlog. Bye.